What's the real secret to passing FTMO's challenge? Is it having the perfect strategy? No. Is it trading 24/7 like a machine? No. Is it following a guru's scalping method? Absolutely not. It's an art, and today, you're gonna learn it. Step 1. Master position sizing. This is the foundation. Forget about lot sizes completely. That's amateur hour. Calculate everything from your 2% risk per trade. Work backwards from your stop loss to determine position size. Pros don't gamble, they calculate. Step 2. Use the 5-trade math formula. FTMO's 10% profit target on a $100,000 account equals $10,000. 5 winning trades at 1-to-1 risk-reward gives you $2,000 per trade. That's literally it. 5 trades. Over 30 days to pass. Step 3. Handle correlated trades smartly. If you're taking Euro USD and Pound USD together, drop risk to 1.5% each. This prevents blowing your daily drawdown if both go against you. FTMO's algorithm tracks correlation exposure. I bet you didn't know that. Second to last step. Ditch the short time frames. Stop scalping on 5-minute charts like every guru teaches. Use nothing below the 4-hour time frame. Set your trades and forget them. Go outside and live your actual life. I've passed multiple challenges this way. Last step, and I saved the best for last with this one. Avoid FTMO's psychological traps. They count on you revenge trading. So don't. They want you to overcomplicate things. So don't. Stick to the plan. 5 trades, 30 days. Collect your funded account at the end. Simple, but not easy. If it were easy, we'd all be billionaires. But I must say, this blueprint worked for dozens of traders. No more losing mentality. Just a way that actually works. Your turn to join the Funded Traders Club.